Welcome to our channel. In the last session, we discussed one-dimensional array. Now, in this session, we are moving to multi-dimensional array. Here, multi-dimensions in the sense, we are declaring the array with multiple dimensions, either two-dimensional, three-dimensional, four-dimensional. Anyway, you are getting two types of definitions for an array. One is an array can hold elements, that is a sequenced collection of elements of same data type, or another one is an array can hold a collection of objects that are generated from same class. Suppose sequenced collection of elements. What is the syntax? Data type followed by name of the array. For example, if you are using two-dimensional is equal to new class name of row size. Two-dimensional means row size and column size. Row size and column size like this. For example, int a of is equal to new int of some 3 by 3. That is, you are creating a two-dimensional array of size 3 by 3, of size 3 by 3. Now, import java.util.scanner class array demo3 public static void main string args of. Okay, within the main method, first you need to read the number of elements. Here we need two elements, system.out.println, enter number of rows, enter number of rows. So before writing this one, create the scanner object. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner of system.in. Now after that, read number of rows. Suppose int r is equal to sc dot next int of. Okay. After reading the number of rows, next step is read number of columns. Read number of columns. So my variable name is assume int c. Now after this one, system dot out dot println, enter the elements. Enter the elements. Now for int I is equal to 0, I less than or I plus plus. For int j is equal to 0, j less than c, j plus plus. J plus plus. After that, read the value a of I j is equal to sc dot next int of. I am reading the values by using two for loop, row by row. First you reading the first row. After completion, you are reading the elements on the second row. Now my program is after reading just to printing the values. After reading, just to printing the values. Okay, for int I is equal to 0, I less than or I plus plus. For int j is equal to 0, j less than c, j plus plus. Here system dot out dot print. So I am writing the print statement just to display the values in the matrix format. A of ij. Just I am printing A of ij plus give some space. After completion of this inner loop, I am displaying some empty print statement just to move to the new line. System.out.println and close this one. Now save the program as array demo2.java. So already existed. No, what is my okay? Here I given demo3.java. Go to the command prompt. Java C space array demo3.java. So we have an error, cannot find symbol a of ij. So first I forgot, before entering the elements, you need to declare the array. A of is equal to new int of rc. New int of rc. Now here one more thing is yes. Save. Java space array demo3. Enter the number of rows, suppose 2 rows and 2 columns. Enter the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see this one. A two-dimensional array is created. A two-dimensional array is created with the values. Now, what is another definition? You can create an array with objects also, not only values. We can create an array with objects also. Now we will discuss that one. Next one is we are creating a two-dimensional array with objects. What is the syntax? Class name name of the array with 2 square brackets is equal to new class name of sizes. New class name of sizes. For example, if you want to create integer object array, what is the syntax here? Integer sum a of is equal to new integer of size, suppose row size and column size. Now I will change this program here. Instead of this one, what I am doing, an integer array, integer object of is equal to new integer of. Now how to read the elements? Instead of directly read the elements, new, this is called boxing process. That is, whatever the data, this is simply the data. The data is converted into object. The data is converted into object. Now, here directly you are printing the value to string method. You are printing the value to string. Execute this program. So that is just a warning message. Now enter the number of rows 2, number of columns 3. These are the 3 elements. Actually, I entered the elements. If I entered the elements, what happened? That is converted into objects. Oh, 2 by 3. 2 by 3 in the sense 6 elements. 5, 6. So that is 2 by 3 matrix is created. Now, again, I explain the same thing, how it is stored inside the memory location. Inside the memory location. First one, for example, create an integer array. So integer a of is equal to new integer of some 2 by, or whatever it is, some 3 by 2. 3 rows and 4 columns. 3 rows and 4 columns. What happened? Immediately some memory is created. Understand carefully. Assume this is some address 0x11. So, so the memory is created for rows. How many rows? 0, 1, 2. For I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. So I is equal to 0, I is equal to 1, I is equal to 2. So first for I is equal to 0, you are creating a of 0, 0. Assume this is one address that is created. This is one address that is created. You can take any address. Now, what happened? Whenever this address is created, immediately 0x45 0x45. Within this one, how many number of elements you can store? You can store two elements, 0x22, 0x33. Again, these are the objects. This is the 0 position. This is the first position. Now what happened? Again, under 0x22, one memory is created. Here the value 1 is stored. 0x33, value 2 is stored. Now you got the point. First, for int I is equal to 0, for that one reference is created. This reference can hold two elements, that is two columns. 3 by 2 matrix in a sense, each row consists of two columns. So each object again separate. Now for I is equal to 1. For example, 0x46. Now immediately what happened? 0x46, some memory is created. How many number of elements? For example, 0x44, 0x55. Again, this is 0x44, some value 3, 0x55, some value 4. After this, at index position, this one. The same concept. Now you observe how the values are stored inside the array. Directly, those are not stored. Again, value 5, value 6. This is 6667. So it stores the row positions. Based each row consists of that many number of columns. Each column consists of the corresponding value. This is the way to create multi-dimensional array with data types, with objects. That's the end of today's session. Thank you.